How to add live schedule in Bigo Live. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can schedule or add your timings. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the right bottom, you can see this me icon. Simply tap on this me icon. Now, on the top, tap on your profile icon. Now, we're in this profile section. Here, slowly scroll down. Here on the right, there's an option called Preview and Create. Simply select on Preview and Create. So basically this is the place where you can create live time. Here you can schedule your date and later even have a fixed time. So it's up to you where you want to schedule it. So what does this help? Later the viewers and followers that you have will be able to know in which time you're getting live and will be ready to join your live. So it's a way to make it easier for your followers too. At last, simply tap on Create and this will be displayed in your profile too. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.